Brisbane Truck Show is the largest truck exhibition in Australia. It happens every 2 years. It's a great opportunity for all of our customers to get together under the one roof where we can actually demonstrate all of our products to the customers. Our products have been designed and engineered with European standards. We've partnered with some of the best suppliers across the globe, which have made our channel to market very neat.
UES is a well-known company in the market.
Knows what these trailer producer needs, what is the market, Australian market they require.
Our relationship with UES does go back many, many years, through a couple of different generations. And the loyalty is really the key.
UES is a great supplier. They give good quality products.
Very good, they work well, they last.
If we're talking about relation behind a business relation, there's a relation between people which support and respect each other. So we're not just partner, we are family.